Hello, little scientists. My name is Hannah, your science explorer. Today, we're going on a super fun adventure to discover 20 mind-blowing science facts. Grab your science goggles, put on your thinking cap, and let's blast off. Wow, did you know that jellyfish have been swimming in the ocean for over 500 million years? That means they were around before dinosaurs even existed. Imagine a world with just jellyfish floating around. Wiggle your arms like a jellyfish. Now, let's do a jellyfish dance.
Keep it cool. What's the name of this club? I can't remember, but it's alright, alright. Just dance, it's gonna be okay. Da-da-doo-doo. Just dance in that record beat. Da-da-doo-doo. Just dance, it's gonna be okay. Da-da-da.
Wow! Look at that wiggly, jiggly jellyfish. It's having a deep-sea dance party and singing its bubbly tune. Did you like it? I did! Good job, jellyfish. Okay, let's get back to science facts. Did you know a bunch of baby kittens is called a kindle? That means when you see a pile of cute, fluffy kittens, you can say, "Look at that adorable kindle of kittens." All your friends will think you are so smart, knowing things like this. Thump, thump. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. That's a lot of hard work. Put your hand on your chest. Can you feel it? Now jump up and down. Your heart is working even faster now. Elephants are like walking water hoses. They use their trunks like straws to suck up water and spray it into their mouths. Did you know this? Remember this and tell your friends. They will be amazed at the things you know. Did you know watermelons are 92% water? That's why they are so juicy and refreshing. Yum! Let's take a big imaginary bite. Crunch! Crunch! That was so good. Did you know a hummingbird's wings flap fast? They look like a blur. They flap about 50 times per second. Try flapping your arms super fast. Can you keep up? Let's see who can flap the fastest. It is hard to keep up with a hummingbird. They are so fast. I bet you didn't know this. Sharks have been swimming in the ocean long before dinosaurs walked the earth. That means they are some of the oldest creatures in the sea. What do you think about that? A baby kangaroo is called a joey. And guess what? Joeys live inside their mommy's pouch until they're big enough to hop out. It's fun learning stuff your friends don't know. You can surprise them with all this knowledge you've been learning with me, Hannah, at the Learning Channel studio. Hold your nose for this one. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Did you know this? That's right. It sounds silly, don't it? But it helps them stay underwater for a long time. Would you want to breathe like a turtle? Hey, I don't. It is amazing how we learn things as we grow up. Good thing you have me to help you know this stuff early. So you can impress your friends with your knowledge. Did you know penguins don't have wings? They have flippers. But these flippers aren't for flying. They're for swimming. Penguins have evolved into expert underwater divers, using their wing-like flippers to zip through the water like little torpedoes. Instead of soaring in the sky, they glide beneath the waves, swooshing past fish. Did you know every snowflake has 6 sides? Each one is completely unique, just like you. Have you ever built a snowman with the snow? I have so much fun playing in the snow. Do you like playing in the snow? Whoa! Some turtles can live to be over 100 years old. That means they could be older than your great-grandparents. Imagine having a birthday cake with 100 candles. That would be a big cake, wouldn't it? I bet you didn't know koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. That means they are only awake for a little while before they get sleepy again. Can you imagine sleeping 22 hours a day? We would never have time to play and learn new things. Did you know, on average, the total amount of time a giraffe in the wild will sleep is 30 to 40 minutes. Baby giraffes sleep for longer, usually 6 hours of the day, while adult giraffes watch over them, just like your mother keeps an eye on you. Twinkle, twinkle little star. Did you know there are more stars in space than there are grains of sand on Earth? Imagine counting them all. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that would take forever. The universe is so big. Did you know a flamingo's pink feathers come from the food they eat? That's That's right. They start out gray and turn pink after munching on shrimp and other yummy treats. I bet you didn't know that. It is fun learning about things, isn't it? Moo! Cows have best friends. They like to hang out with their favorite buddy and get sad when they're apart. Oh, even cows love friendship. Let's all find a friend and give them a high five. Did you know fireflies make their own light? These tiny bugs glow at night to talk to each other. It's like they have little flashlights in their tummies. Have you ever seen one light up? I have. They are amazing. Did you know trees talk to each other? Underground, their roots connect through a network of tiny fungi, like nature's internet. Trees can send messages, share nutrients, and even warn each other about danger. Imagine if you could whisper to your friend through your feet. Here is the last fun fact. Did you know the tallest tree in the world is a giant redwood? It's over 380 feet tall. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Imagine climbing way, way up to the top. I could not do it. I don't like heights. Could you do it? Wow, we learned 20 amazing science facts today. Science is full of surprises, and there's always more to discover. Which fact was your favorite? Let us know. See you next time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun facts. We also have other videos on learning about fruits and learning your body parts with some of our friends on our YouTube channel, the Learning Channel Studio. Subscribe so you get the next fun fact. See you next time. Remember, learning is fun.